Hey everyone, and welcome back. It is the morning, and let's be real, who has time for a full glam routine? Not me. But that doesn't mean we can't look refreshed and put together in just 5 minutes flat. This routine is going to be all about maximum impact with minimum effort. We're focusing on hydration, sun protection, and a few key makeup steps to wake up your face. Ready? Let's go. First up is cleanse. Now, if you don't have time for a full scrub, gently splash some water on your face, or you can quickly swipe some Marcel water on a cotton pad to refresh your skin. This is going to be getting rid of any overnight oil and prepping your skin for the new products. Next is hydration. It's the key to that fresh look. I'm going to start with a light serum and then a quick pump of my moisturizer and then quickly spread that all over my face and neck. Shout out to El Maquillage Eye Cream Power Up that helps me feel awake when I'm tired. And the most important step that often gets skipped in a rush is SPF. So if you're traveling, sun protection is non-negotiable. Some moisturizers have SPF in it. An SPF of 30 or higher is best. And just apply this all evenly around your face. All right, let's tackle the base. Forget a full foundation. On my busy mornings, I just reach for a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream, or even just a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, around my nose, and on any blemishes. In a rush, your fingers are the best blending tools for speed. Just quickly blend it out for a more even complexion. The goal here is to even out tone, not to completely cover everything. Now for the eyes, they really wake up your face. First, a quick curl of the lashes. This is gonna help to open things up. Then you wanna swipe or two of mascara, focusing on the roots and wiggle it up, especially on the outer lashes to give a lifted effect. You don't need hundreds of coats. Now this part is optional, but a brow gel can really frame your face, and all you need is just a quick brush up. Last but not least, a little color to bring back life into your face. I love a cream blush. Just dab a little on the apples of your cheeks and then blend out with your fingers. Easy peasy. And to finish, a tinted lip balm or a comfortable sheer lipstick. This is going to add polish without needing precision. And there you have it, a 5-minute skincare and makeup routine that gets you looking refreshed and ready to tackle whatever the day throws your way. I hope this helped conquer your mornings. If you tried it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tips. See you next time.